Erik Rodgers with Giroud Tree and Lawn in Yardley, Pennsylvania. We had a black gum uproot 2 nights ago and is actually resting on this house, and we are about to remove it. The reason why it uprooted was because it was backfilled 2 to 3 feet many years ago, and then the roots just broke off. So this is why you don't want to backfill trees too much, because you start to get root rot. It's a little bit of a tricky setup. As you see, we have one crane, and we actually have a second crane back there behind the hemlock, and this tree will be coming down shortly.
Last and final brush pick that I made. There's another cavity in that branch as well. So it's 1, 2, 3 cavities. We noticed that there was some mushrooms and root decay at the base. Here we're looking at the tree that has some major decay in it.